Wholesale market has a significant status in China's economy. It not only supplies a lower-priced product to meet the development of China's four-modernization, but also bring more products to the world. China's unique supply chain and high-efficient manufacturing speed help more dropshippers in the global countries. In today's video, we will introduce 10 most popular product types in the e-commerce business, as well as the suppliers' origins that are well known to the Chinese. We'll put the address in the description so that more dropshippers can understand China's product origin. Welcome to subscribe and keep updated on our content. Now let's get into today's video. The biggest toys market, Guangzhou Onelink Plaza. It is located in Huaqiang Street, Huaqiang District, Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province. China's cross-border e-commerce trade has developed rapidly, with an average annual growth rate of nearly 30% for 3 consecutive years. More than half of the professional markets involve foreign trade. Sales cover Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Russia, Central Europe, Africa, and other countries and regions. From the first floor to the sixth floor of Onelink Plaza are toy sales areas. Toy types include dolls, model figures, electric remote control, inflatable toys, tricky toys, flash dolls, and creative toys. There is also its own shopping website. I will put it in the description. Then the second one is Huaqiang Electronic World. Huaqiang Electronics Wholesale Market is located in Futian District, Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province, China. Huaqiang is China's largest second-hand mobile phone trading market. Huaqiang was established in the 8th year after the reform and opening up. Its purpose is to solve the supply chain problems of China's electronic information industry. From China to the United States, from Asia to Africa, Huaqiang's scientific and technology power has penetrated into people's lives. Among them, in 2020, DJI drones, which account for 77% of US consumer drone market, are from Shenzhen, China. The Huaqiang market has the most complete supply chain, and each counter represents a supplier. A third is a hardware wholesale market, Yongkang Science and Technology Hardware City, which is located in Yongkang City, Zhejiang Province. It is the largest hardware market in China and the third largest in the world. The China Hardware Fair will be held in China Science and Technology Hardware City in September every year. Yongkang Hardware City has a business area includes 3,000 shops, and there are hand tools and household products. Hand tools contain traditional hand tools, combination tools, auto maintenance tools, garden tools, tool bags, measuring tools, cutting tools, etc. Household includes furniture, accessories, decorative hardware, window accessories, door locks, door fittings, keys, security system, etc. It is figuratively said that if Yongkang suddenly did not produce any hardware products one day, it would soon cause a global shortage of more than 100 commodities. The fourth is the luggage wholesale market, Baoding Baigou luggage trading city. It is located in in Baoding City, Hebei Province, China. It has formed a large-scale production capacity of 150 million luggage and bags per year. It has become China's largest luggage production and sales base. The products are not only sold in China, but also have sales in more than 100 global countries such as Russia, Yugoslavia, France, and Australia. The first floor is selling well-known brand luggage in Baigou. The second floor deals with domestic and foreign brand luggage. The third floor deals with all kinds of suitcases. Trading City gathers all the best luggage products in the world. The texture contains leather, artificial leather, chemical fiber, and other fabrics, which are divided into 30 categories and more than 3,000 varieties of colors. The fifth one is clothes wholesale market. Hangzhou Evergreen clothing wholesale market is located in Hangzhou, Zhejiang Province. It ranks second in the category of clothing professional market with a turnover of nearly 10 billion yuan a year. The wholesale market has been built for more than 30 years. It has obvious advantages in sales and information, and has a marketing network over China. The clothes are selling to Southeast Asia, Europe, and the Americas. More than 80% market is for wholesale. There are more than 1,200 garment manufacturers and more than 900 brands in this market. The first and the second floors are selling popular clothes, and the third floor is for medium and high-end brand clothing. You can easily find the types you like in this market. For shoes, Guangzhou Metropolis Shoe City is located in Guangzhou City. It is the center of shoes industry in China. Businessmen from nearly 180 countries and regions and source shoes. According to a survey, 90% of shoe retailers in the Pearl River Delta region have been to the metropolitan shoe city. Shenzhen Shuibei International Jewelry Trading Center is located in Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province. The output of gold jewelry in Shenzhen accounts for 60% of Chinese market, and the output of platinum and key gold in lady jewelry accounts for 70%. There are more than 500 gold jewelry manufacturers, and the annual industrial output value exceeds 50 billion yuan. It is currently the most influential and largest professional jewelry trading market in China. It has concentrated more than 100 well-known jewelry companies from China, the United States, Italy, Thailand, etc. This market manages silver, pearl, jadeite, gem, precious metal, etc. Commodity. Yiwu International Trade City is located in Yiwu City, Zhejiang Province. Yiwu International Trade City is one of China's largest small commodity export bases and the largest wholesale markets in the world. There are 40,000 China domestic merchants and 5,000 foreign merchants here. More than 90% of the shops undertake foreign trade business, and the commodities are sold to more than 140 countries and regions. Machines and accessories. Linyi Auto and Motorcycle Parts City is located in Linyi City, Shandong Province. It is the largest motor vehicle part distribution trade center in East China. It manages auto parts, agricultural machinery parts, motorcycle parts, oil, car accessories, and tires. The market has 1,300 stores, 1,300 business households, more than 4,000 employees, and an annual transaction volume of 3.6 billion yuan. Professional dropshipping company, which provides one-to-one agent service. Any dropshipping problem, please feel free to contact with me. Let us know in the comment which market you know the best, Yiwu or Guangzhou. We will introduce more supplier secrets in the following videos. Subscribe, give us a thumb up, and we'll make more quality content with motivations.